Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove likes on all videos on TikTok. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. First, open your TikTok app. From here, go to Profile on the bottom right. Now tap on Menu on the top right. From here, go to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Now scroll down and select Follow, Likes, and Comments. From here, tap on Likes. Now tap on Unable to Like. On the next page, as you can see here, try out these steps. If none of these work, then tap on No and then describe your issue in the box and then just submit. And it's done. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We are dropping new videos every day to help all of you.